All right, today we're over in Pacifica, climbing up to the crack. Haven't been here since probably spring last year, so it's close to a year. There's two ways to get up to the top of the crack: going around the fire road, which is a pain in the butt, or climbing up the crack, which is also a pain in the butt, but less of a pain. But word of warning, if you do decide to climb up this way, just definitely keep an eye and an ear out for bikers coming down, because it's pretty narrow. It can be steep in some sections and blind, so yeah, just be careful. So here's the S-turn, one of the steep chutes you have to go down. Looks like it's been manicured. They cleaned up the left side of it coming down, and the rock roll looks pretty smooth. They took some of the jank out, which I don't know, I kind of like the tech. What's wrong with building your bike skills, right? Oh man. All right, you guys, whoever's cleaning this up, man, right at Skeggs if you don't like the chunk. All right, coming up to the next steep chute. This one looks like it's been, I don't know, cleaned up a little bit, widened. If you just go middle left, coming down, it's the perfect line for you. Just don't go into this crack. Middle left, right over that knuckle. All right, this is another steep chute, third one climbing up. The best line we found is just going straight down the middle into the wider rut. So yeah, straight down, a little compression at the end there. Just be ready for it. I've seen some people take this right line, but it just seems like you have to do much more maneuvering instead of just going straight down. Here's the last steep chute climbing up. First one coming down. So this one freaks out a lot of people. But the best thing to do is roll up to it slow, feather the brakes, and just go down the middle and let the bike do its thing. Here's another view from the top of it. Yeah, you can totally see. If you go straight down the middle, you'll be all right. Just squeeze the brakes lightly and just let your bike roll down. Make sure you don't squeeze too much brakes. Actually, on the same steep chute, yep, there's a line to the right which people looks like they've been widening.
It is white, you know.
Yeah, they widened it up.
It's right here. There's a lot of bushes on this side.
Yeah, a lot cleaner. So I usually never take this line to the right because I'm afraid of pedal strikes. But yeah, looks very doable now. Yep, yep. Going down the crack. First time in a year. First time on the evil Insurgent. Ooh, definitely slidey. Yo, it's loose. Holy crap, it's loose. pedicured, manicured. Narrow over here, watch out for the poison oak. Dennis left. I guess he didn't want to be on YouTube. Definitely loose today. Whew. Jank. Hey dude, you didn't want to be on YouTube or what? It's loose. I was sliding around a little bit.